Okay, it's time for. Okay, okay. It is time to recap. How can I make my life better, freer, give my children quality of life they want and they need and they expect from me, subconscious, unconsciously, subconsciously, without even telling me, and they will. They will question me. What did you do for us? What did you do your best? It gave us birth, and did you do your best for us? Question it himself. At your deathbed, are you gonna feel? Did you do your best? Oh my God! Get the chills, um, goosebumps. Just think about it. It's hard because then you have to give so much. Like you have to bring it out from very deep, be intense, and give blood, tears, and sweat. The emotional sweat, the mental, psychological sweat, not the physical, but the blood and tears. And giving blood means energy of everything and emotionally handling the process of timing, clues, patient, then taking the shot, balanced position size, not letting yourself get carried away that this looks like the best golden A plus setup and then boom, but add to like too much, like open risk will be more than 2%. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm gonna recap. The main point here is bottom line here is take the shot when you have a really good clues. Sharpen, classify. These are perfect clues. There are 5 reasons, 3 reasons, 3 plus reasons. Makes sense. Confirming. The price action momentum is confirming. Enough confirmation. Not too early, not too late. Okay. Enough confirmation. You must have enough confirmation. Just right amount of confirmation. Just right balance of confirmation. And then look, the review today is about 2 things. Not a review, just what to remember, what I should learn, what I need to learn and remember what I learned and learn my lesson and move forward in life and use them to have a life, to have a good, better life, to be able to look at myself in the mirror and feel proud of the man in the mirror. What the man in the mirror will be proud of you. Let's talk about this. Okay, you're doing great so far. You're doing really good. I'm going to also show you what really good things we did. And but let's look at this pound yen chart. You know, yeah, you didn't have time to really like. It's so wick, so many wicks, so many chop. Like it's so not clean. Like the go to 4 hour. It's really not clean. It's 1 hour 30 minute, 15 minute, maybe 50. Now it looks clean, but sitting here, it looked really unclean. All right. Sitting here on like 1 hour, look at this. Look at this. So unclean. So unclean. But this is not the way to see things. Learn, you know how to see things. You know how to see things. You go to your daily. Okay. What's going on in daily? Yes, we had this, whole pullback and everything. And yes, it's like higher lows, higher high. But hey, look, it is hesitating right here. Excuse me. Okay, so this one didn't work out. It doesn't matter what's going on in. Okay, yeah, Delhi's not really should be in the play right now. For 4 hours in the play. Okay. No, 4 hours, not 1 hour is in the play. Okay, beautiful. So this is a spot trade. Short term day trade means in for a few hours and then just close it. That's it, because I'll leave a little position and break even. So look at this 1 hour chart, and we knew that we have this we have this area zone, put this there. Maybe I'll even go back as much. So this one, now we know that one wasn't there, but this zone was available as a structure because you have this low. Okay, you have this low right here. Okay, use the trend line. Now use this. Okay, you have this low. It's already there. All right, we know we can do this very fast and very quick. We're not doing dumb. We're doing very fast. Okay, you have this low. Price go back to previous structure, previous zone. Here's roll reversal area. Here's support. You got. I'm gonna just give you really quick. You got triangle. You got wicks at the 50. Okay, let's open up a little bit. You can look at it. Okay. You got this. You got the zone here. Okay, let's make the zone better so we know it's a zone. It's a real zone. Okay, let's make it this many lines. Okay, it's a real zone. It's a really good zone. Technical zone, reverse technical sell zone. All right, you got your pingo. All right, put a stop right here at this right here. Okay, sell, set and forget for days. Don't even bother. Oh yeah, put this take profit target right here. Set and forget. Hit, done hit, stop out, either one, perfect. If it stop you out, keep going. You buy a higher low and a blackjack in the up the direction of the up move of the upside move, and you get it. Okay, and you make money. You get your life. You get your life back. Both way. So it did the plan A worked. Plan A, sell at this pingo, put the stop a little bit higher, like maybe around this, this high, maybe not this high. You could do this high, but you know what? Let's just leave it at this high because I'm just using this pingo as a failure point. This high is a failure point. Okay, this high is a failure point for me. That's it. I'm not worried about it goes against me and come back and this is not a place to put a big stop. Okay, far out white stop. It's a place to put like jam the stop behind this previous high and set and forget. Obviously, if it stop you out coming down, you'll get it again. You'll get it again. You'll see it again. It'll be clear as daylight that it's stop in reverse scenario. Stop hunting in reverse, just like it happened in the other Mexican pair. Well, I'll show you later. All right, let's keep it short and simple and quick and to the point. I'm gonna go be very direct here and move with the pace, with intensity. We got this, put the stop here, leave it, forget it, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so let's say you didn't see it and you already are here. Let's say you're here and you didn't see this. So you're here. This outside right here, this outside engulfing, outside ranger, OGR, that's your next clue. Okay, if you don't want to put it, or you just didn't even see this pair, didn't analyze it, now you see it. This is happening in New York session now. Okay, this is 30-minute chart. I'm looking at it. Let me clear all these lines because I'm just looking at bow and arrows. I'm looking at very clean bow and arrows. Right here. I'm looking at this morning. I'm looking at it. Price come here, go break the triangle, go sideways. This feels like eternity. It feels like I'm like in some eternity, sitting in some prison forever. No, it doesn't matter. It's a state of mind. Your mind can make eternity. Your mind can make it. Not time. Time is such a state of mind. In trading, especially, it can feel like a moment. It can feel like a year. It feel like a month or a year, and that's in some pain in some place. And it's like a prison or dungeon. It can feel like nothing, or feel like I don't even know what. So I don't even feel time. Just Infinite patience, things happen immediately. I don't even know time. All right, that's this. We know the key is the time. Is the key is real time is relevant patient. Key is not to look, just set and forget upon this bow and arrow and walk away. And this bow and arrow happened at the role reversal and at the 30-minute 200, and it's keep reversing another bow and arrow breakdown. Now you're sitting at a beautiful place right here at the end of right here at the chart end of the chart. We're sitting at the look at the far right end of the chart, right end, most right. It's where I was in and out, just emotions like survival mode kicked in. Survival mode kicked in. I got into survival fear mode based mind, and I didn't want to accept that. I had to define risk. Should have accepted it. It doesn't matter what's going on in other peers I'm in. They're doing their thing. They're leaving them alone. The dollar Mexican doing its thing. Canadian doing its thing. Australia, Aussie dollars, all commodity currencies doing whatever supposed to do. It doesn't. You don't need to look at them. Either they do their thing or they don't. You need to look at them. You leave the pot food to cook. You leave the water to boil. Don't watch the cattle. Let it boil. Let it cook. Let the food cook. It's on low heat. Takes an hour, 2 hours. Let it cook. You're not gonna overcook it. You're not gonna miss it. It's not gonna burn on you or stay raw. Let it. You leave the water kettle on. It's gonna whistle, and you walk away. All you have to do is to have your ear open and eyes open, and when the steam comes out, I said there's no whistle. Sorry, there's no whistle. When the steam comes out, you turn around, you see the steam. You're done. You're done. That's the process. How many times this is about not me, it's about the survival state, survival mind. The survival mind doesn't want to wait instant gratification, doesn't want to relax, doesn't want to accept the risk, put in $50 and then right away to survive. What if I lose 50? What if I lose this 30? What if I lose this 50? What if I lose this 60, 70? Whatever is on the line. What if I lose? And then this is the key. This is it. This is the issue we hit. This is what we're dealing with. This is the demon we're dealing with. We're gonna have to find a way of doing the process. You see a bow and arrow. You put the stop behind the arrow. You see, I didn't call it OGR. You put the stop behind OGR. You let it go. Outside ranger, let it go. You walk away. You lose. Lose means if this one time out of three, out of this one time, this is the one time out of every third or fourth bow and arrow GI if it doesn't work out, or if it goes back a little bit in profit and turns around. That's okay. This is the business you have chosen. This is the business we have. We take a stop or we let it work towards profit, no matter how long it takes. Not relevant how long it takes. Not relevant what formation it does. Not relevant how many zigzags and wicks it has in between. No matter how slow it moves. No matter how many wicks and ups and downs, how many highs, lows it makes on 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, doesn't matter. That's what the stop hunt, that's what the shakeout is. The shakeouts. And I'll show you the shakeout. Let's just finish this. Look, you had this, boom, boom, boom. Price just came to previous low. Your stop should have been right at the body of this, right at the body right here. Okay. Right here, and boom, 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 stop, your profit got hit. You made nice, I don't know, like let's say even you were right, like right around here, the morning, you had a nice 50 pips. My God, what people give arm and a leg for making 50 pips. a week. I mean, doesn't matter, a day. All right. What was the risk? If you enter here, you can either, yeah, you can just put behind 50. So 127, 28. So 2 hour. Approx 2 hour trade. Okay, 1.5. Makes no difference. Any good confirmed trade that gives you an app is so amazingly can give you a life. All right, let's move forward. I'm gonna do very quickly. I gotta watch. I gotta do it quick. Okay, I'm gonna take all the lines out. I'm already in this trade. How many times I had the challenge of stressing out about this, okay? Looking at the profit P&L column, look at the money column. That's where the trouble begins, the money column. This thing was confusing. This thing was let's just do a little background on this. It's coming down from daily high and that's making low, and a lot of like trader, it was Rainer, and a lot of traders say at least it's gonna come here. So I'm sure, yeah, I was in and out here losing money, and this is like looks like some blackjack. Okay, I take this, I put a stop here, but this is where I need to just check for our candles, a 1 hour candle, or just figure it out. So even if I leave a 1.5%, 1% risk. First of all, it's a second blackjack is like a chasing. You're too close. I don't know. You could go on a short term, like a 1 hour here, and do something. Let's just move forward to the point as it's did today. It's that again. Remember, if you miss the first pullback after the role reversal, after the role reversal, after the bias change, after a breakout of this trend line, okay. This is a trend line break. It doesn't have to do always horizontal break. Trend line break is good enough, especially when it's coming off a major. There's a major supports here. Major area of supports. Okay, it's coming out. I think this not well. First of all, yeah, let's take a look at this. I didn't even see this trend line. This trend line is beautiful, man. I mean, not this one. You have to connect the last two. By the way, that's also another thing that we've been a little not good with that. All right, since I'm just gonna, all right, just whatever. It's just trend line, never perfect in terms of breaking and pushing back. So it pulled back. Yeah, in 1 hour, it was something really. Anyway, you had a good shot here at 1 hour. All right, this is a nice top-down trading surgical strike. 1 hour, it made this wonderful reversal pattern. You know, another like this is great. Evening Star is very small name for this, understated. This is a great reversal pattern. I don't know what we'll call it. Death Star. Death Star is good. Possible Death Star. Possible definitely reversal. Anyway, look. It's what it did today. Is your convictions about conviction is good as long as your risk was defined and acceptable. Okay, we know that after this, this didn't work out. Let's say you had a stop here and it stopped you out. Doesn't matter if you had a stop here, stop you out. Yeah, this is a good area to sell, like right around here, and then you have another blackjack and you sold there and you put the stop there. Fine. Sometimes you do this, it happened. Instead of it. I think just want to remind you that just to make, like, I don't know how much was available there. Okay, let's say if I put this target of 400, and just a side story, not the main story, is okay. So let's say I'm targeting this area, slowly come down. Let's say I'm short right here, somewhere at, okay, and about 300 and 3,400, 35, about 3,500 pips, like 350 pips, and it needs to come down to this line. Yeah, it was 1-to-1. It was 1-to-1, 1-to-1. Yeah, it looked really good here. It looked really good here that to come down. Look really good here. Anyway, luckily I wasn't heavily short in this pair already. Luckily I wasn't doing the work, the real errors that the real dumb play I used to do, which is like sell here and keep adding because my mind, my the obsessed mind, the lazy mind just get fixed on it, fixated on the lizard brain that is going to just have to come. This one track mind has to come down to this level, has to, it must guarantee, and then just put a heavy max out leverage and disaster, painful. Let's never let it happen. 1% risk, okay, you lost 1%, percent, something like that, because you're late in the play anyway. Just remember that when you're late in the play, your risk should be much smaller upon the blackjack signals like this. The blackjack signals is a fractal around the moving average. It's our role reversal area. If you got in early and look for a 2 hour and get out at 1% risk, that's fine. Let's just look at it, what happened. Okay, was pretty much guaranteed that this big price action change. This is big, huge in OGR or outside ranger in outside ranger. Very good place to find dollar to strength, and things were correlated, the stock market and everything else. So very good, and probably took out a lot of all the stops over here that got taken out. Now more stops will be taken out here, but then that's it. The smartest play. This is where I gave you a pat on the back. You saw this W, okay? You saw this W. Let me make this just, yeah, this is important because these W's are very Picasso, and that's a very good thing, to seeing the W's like that. It's really important in the in this game of pattern recognition. This is a nice W, man. Okay, this is a nice W. I'm gonna put it where I can see it. Okay. Okay. Take all this out. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's just move forward very fast. This is a nice W. We saw it. Once the middle of the W is broken, we know it's gonna happen. We know that this is a high probability, turns into A plus A quality trade, A plus setup, high quality, very high quality. So we did the right thing. We went to look for blackjacks in whatever smaller time period, which is less than 1 hour. 1 hour. Let's make this bigger. Okay, we're making a blackjack right now, but it happened in mostly in 30 minutes because it wasn't even pulling back at all. So we have a blackjack right here. Okay, it's a pullback also to the RR. Then this one, and then look, another thing. This is like so excruciating to wait all day, like between, I don't know, like between. This is like a 10 o'clock between 8:30 and 10, 1 hour between 8:30. This is what 30 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 3 hours. This is a 3 hour flag. 3 hour. It took 3 to 4 hours to formulate this flag right here, moving above the 13. It took 3 hours to formulate this flag. Okay, above 13 mm. If you were sit and watch, it will feel like 3 days, 3 weeks. 3 months, 3 years, centuries. My God, it's really not. And adding high up, then adding close. It's a bit like it's really you're putting yourself in a real lot of pain if you're adding a lot and something major news break, something happened event and it just doesn't work or go very deep. If we would have went to like a 50 on a 30 or this role reversal, I was ready for that, but this is where you convince the A plus setup to A plus possibility to go up, and it did, as we can see here already. But adding too much, too close, for not taking consideration possibility deeper retracement 21, 34, 200 or 50. Okay, not taking this in consideration is is not a smart. Let's just put it this way: not a smart. Not if you're not gonna be the top smart, play top of. If you're not top of the game, playing the smartest way possible, this game is zero sum. Either you're very smart or you lose it all. The moment you play dumb, eventually it's gonna be zeroed out. Okay, in a year from now, you count zero and you'll be like, why did I play so dumb? Why did I play so dumb? Why did I add it? It's the same question I have for my last 10 years already. Why, at least 5, 6 years ago, discovered blackjack, 8 years ago. Why did I play so recklessly and so over leveraged and so oversized, so bigger, heavy position, added too much, too close, maxed out on my leverage, and then I got in big trouble while it's slowly just retracing, going nowhere for hours and hours and staying excruciating. This is not pursuit of happiness, pursuit of pain, and don't take it, don't get it from by ruining yourself financially. Get it from some other thing. I don't know, like, but you don't need pain. You need healing. You need healing. If you must let it out, go to punching bag, go to sports, go to boxing, go do something, get it in some taekwondo, some kind of sports or martial art, and get you paid. Not like in the market. Take risks somewhere else. This kind of need to feel the pain and grief. You don't need it here. Okay, I need to make this very clear. The pent up anger, rage is turning towards yourself is a symptom, and this is the way you turn it towards yourself when adding. I mean, this is a good example because we already know it worked out. If something like this, I don't know, like God, well, this is also like if add here. Okay, this is give you example, whatever. I don't know, like okay, you sell here. Let's say you start, you see this pullback. You see, okay, price made a beautiful reversals on 30 and coming down right here. Come in this mouse. I'm not gonna able to see it, but let's say it's coming down, coming down, coming down, and you're adding all the way. No, this is where you saw it already down. Now you're looking at this. Now you're looking at this going up like right here. Okay. Now this line, I just put this diagonal trend line. You sell. Oh, beautiful. Finally, I see it, eventually, yeah, I know it's gonna stop at 34 on 30-minute chart. And I'm seeing a perfect reversal pattern, right? And even breaking, making a pretty much good pin bar at 30. Boom, let's go heavy. Let's max it out. Let's make some money. Let's make the money, recovery money. No, yes, no, yes. Listen, don't like saying no like that. Like that Alaskan senator. This is the thought process that puts you in so much psychological, emotional, financial pain, and you liked it because you want to feel the pain that you can't feel, and you subconsciously put yourself in the situation, Mark. If you have to feel the pain, you need to tackle that challenge demon. You need to sort it out, fix that leak. What's the outcome? Dumbness. What's the outcome? Feeling dumb, feeling crap, feeling no, no. Don't be careless about your survival. You're so careless about your survival, then you're not serious about your survival in life. The only way you're gonna have a survival when you trade good, you trade the right way. And if that you're not doing, don't look at anybody. Your truth is not theirs, Vito, or anybody. You have really serious challenge here. You had it all this time. You put yourself in like I'm a victim of life and I'm gonna mess up, screw my life, I'm gonna ruin my life. The revenge to the world is I ruined my life. That's the thought. Worse, that's a really dumb thought. I mean, it's a thought process, not dumb, it's not worse. It's just a thought process. It's just what's dominating my life so far. Where I am in my life is because of this. They violated me. I'm gonna go crazy, risk everything. Raza type self-destruction is the revenge to the world. Those who wronged you, betrayed you, didn't get what you want. Now you want to take recklessness and you go the pathway or to recklessness, road to recklessness, carelessness. Feels good. Rebel. Feels good to rebel. Look at me. Everyone, I'm the craziest, reckless, highest risking bad boy who's ruining his life because you said to make something. Now I'm going to show you, prove you that I don't care about you, what you said to about me. Well, what you said to do, I'm not going to do. Like, I'm not what Russian said and everybody said, Salmapa, Sajid. I'm going to ruin and I'm going to make you feel pain because of that. But in the meantime, ruining my life and my children who I'm responsible for because I gave them birth. I brought them in this world. No, 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 not this path of vicious cycle of shame, guilt, shame and guilt. Think hard. Think hard. Open risk of more than one and a half. Open risk of more than 2%. Where's your stop? Your max leverage here. Let's say you got your max leverage here. Okay, average for 5 or 10,000 average for 10,000 guys like I don't know 2-3 lots or don't even want to think about it. It pains me just to think about it. I got 2 lots here, or 1 lot here, and 5,000. Now every 5 pip, I'm losing 50, 60. Every up and down $100. Every little fluctuation. Where's your stop? First of all, if you're selling at 13, if you're selling at 21, then you're selling at 34. You're gonna wait to sell at 50. Where are you putting your stop behind 50? Here? Are you putting your stop behind this candle? Behind here where it's at right? I mean, that's a stop. Behind here. Okay, behind 200. Behind this high right here. And how many pips? Probably 100 pips in general. Let's say 100, but and it could be any pair euro. Probably 100 pips average. Let's say a 50 pip. What's 50 pips? A lot and a half, 2 lots. It's more than $500 risk on a 4,000-5,000 if you have account or any account. Obviously, it's more than 2% risk. Obviously, it's out of hand. Obviously, everything is out of hand now. Everything is just like, you broke the red light knowing you shouldn't. Now a truck is coming. You drive the wrong way. Truck is coming. What are you going to do? Everything is gone. All is lost. No, all is lost feeling kicks in. And you've been through this. Nothing matters after that. No more. But stop. This is not the path I want to take of self-sabotage, of self-harm, self-injury, of getting hijacked. This is the challenge. This is it. This is ultimate. This is it. This is what's the cycle is, where I need to break this rules and patterns of the wrong of life of what happened in trading. I'm gonna ruthlessly, fiercely, intensely, ferociously gonna protect against big open risk of more than a 2% my account. And that is even very painful. 2%, 1% is even very painful. I'm gonna come back from 1% loss in a week, but not more than two. I'm gonna ferociously protect that. All right, let's clean this up. Let's look at what we missed today. Let's look. I'm gonna quickly tell you what I did right. I saw this really good move. Um, we took this shots. Uh, we, we took this shots. Beautiful blackjack outside ranger after a bias change, after a breakout, after a major reversal pattern of W and a change in the direction by taking new highs, major new highs. Then we waited again, and look, you never know which time of the day is gonna make liquidity kick. So whatever kicks in, whatever orders kick in, exact 5 o'clock. I think it's 5:05. Exact 5:05. You were down like over 1.5%. Boom, you're up 1.5, 2%, 3%. Then you're up, and then okay, tester trade. Okay, adding. Okay, not a problem. This looks like nothing's 200 is here. Let's see, is there a 5-minute 200 anytime it came to? No. Let's just go to 15-minute. Let's just go to 30-minute. All right, so it just did a 1 hour pullback to this. This was a 1 hour play today. Yesterday this was a 15 minutes, was a 30-minute, and today you have a 1 hour play. A 1 hour, it pulled back to 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, this was overnight, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 hours ago. All right. New York shakeout. New York shakeout. New York creating chaos, confusion. It's gonna go most likely A plus setup. Do I have my stop? Stop is very. I know it's like a failure. I want to have a complete failure point. Then is this. This is okay. This is okay too, but this was hitting very close to when it came here. It could have made a double bottom at this. Could make a double bottom here. That's why I put the stop a little bit lower. Okay. Obviously, all the stops, not all the stops, but I put in some extra position just because it's looking really good. All right, let's keep it in control. I'm sure it's not more than 2.5%, more than 3% here risk. Okay. I'm willing to take that because it's A plus setup. Okay. It's doing everything that the right. This pattern is working out pretty good. It shook out in New York. It went up in Asia. London sold it because trying to take out trailing stop or whatever. New York did what they do. They create confusion and shake up. And stop hunting. Look what's beautiful thing happened here. Like look what they talk about. It's true. They stop hunting. Look, this is how many 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 time. They picked up orders, a lot of retail orders probably. Trying to go up, then one more time it shoot down, stop hunt everybody, scare everybody out, shake out the weekends, and then nicely, slowly moving up, and it will move up. The only thing happening here is like, okay, what if it comes below this? Should I put my stop here? I think I'll move my stop here for now. I don't want to stay because I don't even have all the trades. I don't want to stay behind this. Okay. Yeah, at least. It may double bottom here, double retest. If it retests this low as a double test, if it retests this low one more time, I really don't want to be in it anymore. Okay. I don't want to have it go below this. Below this is too much, but below this, I'm gonna bail out. I'm gonna live to play another day. I'm gonna live to play another day. Bail out. I'm gonna retreat. It depends. That's the smartest thing a trader a professional does, a really the smartest trader, they cut losses and they protect their capital, financial capital, mental capital. This has nothing going. I don't want to pay any attention. No emotions, no watching, nothing. I just want to point out that all the yen crosses had a beautiful bow and arrows today. Okay, and commodity currencies, they all have a beautiful bow and arrows. Okay, uh, or maybe not Aussie yen. It's a little choppy. Okay, but this is nice. Okay, this is nice area to sell. This is again, you have pins at falling moving averages. Nice. I may not. It's not ready. So what? It's okay. Good in New Zealand, doing really good. Okay, what's going on in 1 hour? This was a beautiful. Okay, this guys, I have to take some pride here and smile at myself with a mirror for that. This is exactly what we want CEO and love to have. All right, this was just previous lows, price coming down, lower high, lower low, retest, sort of double bottom, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. Best thing is seeing this. Okay, just made my day. Okay, seeing this candle right here, this candle right here, this reversal pattern, outside ranger, beautiful, whatever you want to call it, island reversal pattern. It really was beautiful. Very little risk, and looking at 4 hour, it could easily daily easily come either this here or this here. So 1 hour chart, I just want to review and say, look, you have these things do show up. You have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and you have beautiful alligator, open jaw, golden cross. This 200 doesn't even matter because this right here, okay, this right here, this whatever's going on in very left, very right side, far right of the chart is the most beautiful picture in the context, of course, in the context of big picture of all other things that are going on with the stock market and everything. This is where the edge lies, and pays off all the hard work of in and out of trades or being stressed. And yeah, I mean, you can't say this cannot bust. There's no such thing. There's no such as guarantee in this anywhere in the world of trading, or anything in the world. But this putting a stop just behind this candle, all right, 34, leaving it away for a while, or putting a stop behind 50. Okay, either one. Leaving it for a couple of days. All right. Look, you could end up making between 150 to 280 pips with like 25 pip easily risk. Okay. So yeah, would have already had 134 since yesterday, 175, and then 280. How nice. How nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you. Okay. That's it. I know I'm going to make a very short, just to the point video, but just showing the setup. All right, I'm just going to quickly show the setups, and that's it. Okay. Let's just look. Yeah. We did have euro dollar, something on euro. Okay. Here it is. Just look at the right side. Just look at right here. Okay. I'm just gonna put the just a little bit higher up. Okay, I'm just gonna point out what's going on. Let's look at the pin under this line. Okay, you set up, you have another setup, you have another setup. One hour bow and arrow, 1 hour bow and arrow, burner. Just let's go. All right, Aussie. Okay, did I do Aussie already? No, I didn't do Aussie. Okay. All right, here you go. 1 hour. Okay. One hour bow and arrow, another 1 hour bow and arrow. Okay. Did New Zealand already, Cadian, yeah, 1 hour right here, above this line, right here, about 1 hour, blackjack, 1 hour blackjack. Oh God, this, all right, so look at this, you were right there, it's just happening right around 3-4 o'clock. Come on, 21 minus 7 is 14, 14 is 2 o'clock. What? Why not just save your mental capital? Why not just save your mental capital and, why not just save your mental capital and browse, scan like a general, scan the battlefield, and when you see a picture, when you see this printed, when you see this appeared, your mind knew, you could tell, your mind knew, your intuition knew, this is your beautiful A plus golden opportunity sell signal. So sort it out. Don't pay attention to noise, only at the signal, not at the noise. Your mind, your intuition, you're a genius to identify that clues, pattern, picture, scenarios like that when it appears in context, especially in context, in context of this, fib it, don't fib it, doesn't matter. Looking for RR always, not be smarter than that, be more dynamic than that. Don't always look for RRs. Put the fib if you have to, put the pivots if you have to, look at the pivots if you have, look at the pivots, look at the fibs. When price pulling back, what do? You look for a area of tactical area to stop and continue in the direction of the previous move. Retracements can be deep to 78%. This was 61% fib. Okay. We gotta start putting the fibs up. Okay. I know this is I don't know, do I do auto? I don't do auto trading. Let me just clear this thing out. No, all right, doesn't matter. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay. So what is happening here? I can take this out. All right, take this out. Okay, I'll leave this alone. You have, if you didn't have a fib, let's say, it's good to add. Not always, it's not ever always just another factor to add. You add this. What you got here is a 50 MA bow and arrow. Doesn't matter what time frame, 1 hour, 30 minute, 4 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. Got a bow and arrow. You've got that. All right. I'm gonna finish this in less than, my goal is to finish this video in less than 3 minutes. Bow and arrow, context, taking out the previous low, taking out the trend line. Okay. It doesn't matter where it's coming up from. This, yeah, that was another story. They could have bought something here, but no, you have a major context of major drop in the price, taking out all the previous lows, all the bias, major bias change. These are the previous lows. Okay. The only thing it went to a role reversal area on 4 hour. Okay. It went to role reversal area right here. That's where it stopped. Okay. Went to 1 hour. So what? The idea after a move like this, which taken out a lot of levels, forget the trend line, which was very steep, a lot of levels. You thinking V reversal? Okay. Could happen. We're not looking for guarantee, we're looking for only possibility. All right. Finish this after this. You have bow and arrow. You put the stop here and you forget about it. Whatever happened, happened. Previous low is a good area to take some out. Looking at pivots is M2 to M4 to M2 moves. Fine. That's it. All I have to show you, the last thing is euro yen. Again, same thing. You have a low, you have this low, you have this low. Okay, compared to this low, price pull back. What happened here? Price pull back, bow and arrows. All you need is bow and arrows in context of a role reversal, support resistance, price action, trend, highs, previous high, previous low, bias changes. You pull back, this bow and arrow right here happened 9 minus 7 2 in the morning. Okay, so what? When you got up, when you saw the chart on 30-minute, even if it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, look at this, 16 minus, right here, this engulfing happened between minus 7, 8 a.m. This is 8 a.m. All right, let's look at 15-minute chart. You had plenty of opportunities to sell this pair based on coming from this major confluence of resistance and a beautiful reversal. This is a swing right here, right here, right here, right here. This is a swing, complete swing at the moving averages in context of a down move, where your target was always going to be this low or lower. Looking at this on 15-minute chart, here, stop here, there, that's it. I'm done. I'm done till next time.